Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with another tutorial from the SimpleFX Broker on the TradingFinder website. So, from the reviews section in the Forex brokers, you find the SimpleFX Broker, and by clicking on the Go option, you enter the official website of this broker. From the trading section, we move to the next page, and by clicking on the Create Account option, we can proceed with our registration. As you can see, it asks for our email, password, and password confirmation, and we recommend using lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the email and password, we can proceed with account creation by agreeing to the website's terms. In the next very important step, we will carefully and thoroughly verify our email address. Well, as you can see, we received an email from the broker that contains the Verify option. By simply clicking this option, we confirm and verify our registered email address on this exchange, and easily. In the upcoming videos, we will guide you step by step through the deposit section and account verification. Wishing you success and profitability